Infinite loading screen fix. Symptoms. GTA Online gets stuck on the loading screen. Endless loading when joining online. Loading screen never finishes. Stuck on entering GTA Online. Black screen after selecting online. Tenor Fix 1. Check Rockstar server status steps. Check if Rockstar Games servers are online. Wait if there is server maintenance. Try joining GTA Online again later. Fix 2. Restart GTA 5 steps. Close GTA 5 completely. End the game process using Task Manager if necessary. Launch GTA 5 again. Try entering GTA Online. Nudge Fix 3. Restart your device steps. Close all running applications. Restart your PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. Open GTA V and try again. Fix 4. Check your internet connection. Steps. Restart your modem or router. Use a stable internet connection. Disconnect any VPN or proxy. Try joining GTA Online again. Fix 5. Verify game files. Steps. Open Steam, Epic Games Launcher, or Rockstar Games Launcher. Go to your game library, select GTA 5, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification to complete. Fix 6. Update GTA 5. Steps. Open your game launcher. Check for available updates. Install the latest update. Restart the launcher. Launch GTA 5 again. Fix 7. Clear Rockstar Games Launcher cache. Steps. Close the Rockstar Games Launcher. Open launcher settings. Select Clear Cache. Restart the launcher. Launch GTA 5 again. Fix 8. Allow GTA 5 through firewall steps. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Allow GTA 5 and Rockstar Games Launcher through the firewall. Save the changes. Restart the game. Fix 9. Close background application steps. Close web browsers. Disable Discord overlay. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Close recording software and unnecessary apps. Launch GTA 5 again. Fix 10. Reinstall GTA 5. Steps. Uninstall GTA 5. Restart your device. Download the latest version. Install the game again. Launch GTA Online and check if the issue is resolved.